nervous. And she said to him, I'm pregnant. He said, I got it, don't worry about a portion. I give you all the money for an abortion. Make an appointment, I'll see you in the morning. She said, come if you want, I promise I'm not going. I'm keeping the baby, how can you say that we should kill it? No, it's not breathing, it's living right now, I can feel it. It's my body, my decision, he said it's mine too. That baby is mine too. If I knew you was gonna act this way with a war condom every day, can you do what I ask you? Don't make me despise you. If you keep it, I want nothing to do with what's inside of you. She said, really, really, this how you feel? Well, I see that your heart's blue. Your daddy really scarred you. You're angry and miserable. Why make a life to take a life? Got me looking like, who are you? I hate you. I hate the man I slept with. Can't change the fact that I'm pregnant, but I won't kill my blessing. You got one on the way. You can't be running away. Running away. That baby got a life you wanna live too. Why you won't do it like your parents did you? You got one on the way. You can't be running away. You can't be running away. That baby got a life you wanna live too. Why you won't do it like your parents did you? She said, you know my situation, I don't want a baby. We don't even have jobs, how are we gonna raise it? I'm really on birth control, didn't forget to take it. You messing up, I really feel like you set me up. He said, what set you up? I don't make enough. I stay with my mama, plus I drive a Honda. If I can change the hands of time, I do what I promise. But that is not the case. You should have seen the look on my face when I heard the doctor say you're pregnant.
Sampai saat ini tak terfikir olehku. Aku pernah beri rasa pada orang sepertimu. Seandainya sejak awal tak ku yakinkan diriku. Tutur kata yang sempurna tak sebaik yang ku kira. Andai ku tahu semua akan sia-sia, takkan ku terima cinta sesaatmu.